We are pleased to announce that the special color, RAL 9016 Matte, previously available as a special option, is now becoming a standard in our Radiator product range. Why did we decide to make this change? There are several reasons. Matte white offers an elegant and subtle appearance. This color blends harmoniously with interior architecture and pairs beautifully with window and door frames. It complements furniture, flooring, and wall surfaces seamlessly. The matte finish gives radiators a more refined and organic character, eliminating glare and light reflections, which can be problematic for many users in bright spaces or under down lighting. Matte white makes it easier to maintain cleanliness and improves the aesthetic of interiors, since fingerprints and streaks from wiping with a damp cloth are much less visible. For years, the radiator industry has been accustomed to the RAL 9016 semi-gloss version. We aim to move away from this trend, which dominated many years ago and has persisted for quite some time. From now on, RAL 9016 Matte will be our standard white color for all Terma products. Matte white represents elegance, minimalism, and subtlety. It harmonizes with modern interiors, blends ideally with contemporary materials and textures, reduces glare and reflections, and makes fingerprints and smudges less visible.